why thiwa ama-transaction, there were no transactions ku-bank statement sakhe that week, because i-original plan was njoba abscondile shuthi after this incident uvele wanyamalala nje without a trace, zange what. That was an original plan. Now le ndaba lena imoshakalaphi, as I was saying ukuthi there's no way ukuthi the whole week awunama-transactions especially usuke northwest uya kwaNongoma, noma kuthiwa-ke uye-Fuso awuthenge nge-airtime ukuthi no nikuphi ngiyazwakala, or idatha, or withdraw imali, or ume garage withdrawe, or udle njena, or usithengele utshwala. Number 2, umuntu imosha yonke-ke wayibaxa uzungu claim ukuthi mekanabo benza umcimbi, which means nakhona it's highly impossible ukuthi ungabe nama-transactions kunomcimbi. But uthi mekanabo kwezomcimbi wadla amajemisini, badla inyama, kumnandi nje lapho kucimbizwa. Yonke lento le mezoyenza sense if usenzo bamthole mhlambe emarobotini or bamthole estradini but bambamba inkunzi washona. But the fact ukuthi basuke hostel abaya specifically to that house, it's really weird. Because it seems like this case is so many coincidences. Laba bayaphuza and then all of the sudden bafuna cell phone nemali, bahamba bayangena endlini dubule komuntu. Amaphoyisa ayasukeleka nje ayongena endlini athole isibhamu phezu kwe-wardrobe. Makes perfect sense. But again, uNtanzi mebazama ukumphina because uvele uzumuntu abscondile and they didn't know ukuthi uthathe unpaid leave. Ucela unpaid leave, ucela leave nge-19 July ukuthi hambe nge-25 October. They didn't know ukuthi bakhuluma nama-supervisor ukuthi masiye emakhaya sicela ukuhamba early, which means yonke lento lena i-robbery gone wrong. Yayinciphisa ukuthi 1 uqeda ukuhola, 2 ucela unpaid leave ngoJuly for uyobamba inkunzi nge-26. Makes perfect sense. Yeah, makes perfect sense. Yabo, so mebathi bazama ukuphina yena but they didn't get that information ukuthi ucela unpaid leave kade ku unpaid leave, so bakhulume ne-HR yamnikeza that information. So through amabheka avulekile, ibhamu bangasidestroyanga, ukushintsha ibhamu, i-robbery gone wrong, abafuthi cellphone nemali obolongwe baphume babaleke, ukusuka from ama-witnesses to amaphoyisa, ama-DNA test, uba lo yithema kayifunda i-DNA wathanga babambini kanti akazi ukuthi kumele uthole 16/16. On top of that, naye zangazibuza ukuthi njengoba kuthiwa ngene 2 endlini, why abanye 10/16, 7/16, 5/16, 4/16, but kuthiwa ngene 2 endlini? How, like what? Yabo, zangazibuze naye uthe makayibheka wathanya bangena kanti kumele uthole 16/16 for i-DNA. Yabo, then ama-confession is the last resort abayenzile because wonke ama-witnesses afailile. Wamaphoyisa basendlini basifelele shem. That's why lento le yenziwa i-state kumele ngabe yenziwa i-defense ukuthi bapanic abayenze, but it seems like the state is defeated. Bafaka ama-witness angekho witness list, bathole i-evidence, bangathumeleli ama-defense in time, baforce a-trial within a trial. Ujudge usesayidini labo because i-state isihlulekile, like it's game over, it's done. Kahle kahle kwamanye ama-country mokuzothiwa is there any evidence onayo concrete before siqhubeke, otherwise sayivala le case. But kusemzansi-ke la money talks. Yabo, but mokuconfessa freely-ke ayikho into ejabulisa amaphoyisa njengomuntu oconfessa freely. Mothani ngizoconfessa hawu mokuzofaka ama-video recorder, faka ama-recordings, bafake nani bathi confessa what. But it seems like lana baze sebabhale statement, all they had to do was to sign. Hence bathi mokunama-process lana because bangifase too tight. Ama-handcuffs, the only thing ekulemazayo ukuthi to keep on moving. Angithi ukumove like ukuthi azinwaye nani, like mabakushaya. But angaze ngaboshwa, angaze angene evenini amaphoyisa, angaze ngathola ama-handcuffs, angaze ngafika ecourt. I wouldn't know that, but it kind of seems like bazene statements esibhaliwe, all they had to do was to sign, babashaya. Now moshawa amaphoyisa abakushayela ukuthi ube nama-blue eye or bakushaya ngama-phone book embambeni, bangakuvalela efrijini, bakuvala ubuso ngeplastiki, and futhi uma uthi uyobavulela icala, you're wasting your time. but-ke angikho lapho, angaze ngashawa amaphoyisa, angaze ngaboshwa, angaze ngafika enkantolo, but I wish you guys ngaba safe because nabona ukuthi kenzakalani. Ngizwile ukuthi amaphoyisa ayadubula abantu bathiwa ama-drug dealer. Sabona ukuthi abantu they are making them ama-scapegoats. Noma into ingayenzi sense yaqhubeka. Ngathi ngaba safe, but le ama-intruder story, if you believe ukuthi kunama-intruders, well, everybody is entitled to their opinions. That's why I don't use words such as dumb or stupid, like, but the intruder story, I cha. Unless ke baza namanye ama-intruders, because from overfutech cellphone nemali all the way kushaya ngama-crashes nonke nifihla amafoni, hayi, but ke